In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share draw.io files. By the end, you'll export your diagram from draw.io as an image or document, download it to your computer, and send it to someone else so they can view it clearly. First, open your diagram in draw.io, also known as diagrams.net. Go to the top left and click File, then move down to Export As. This opens the export options. You're not changing your original diagram here. Exporting creates a separate copy you can share. Next, choose the format you want to share: PNG, PDF, or SVG. Pick PNG if you need a simple image that looks the same everywhere, like for email or chat. PNG is great for screenshots or when the viewer doesn't need to edit anything. Choose PDF if you want a document that preserves layout and is easy to print or share as a single file, and especially if your diagram has multiple pages. Choose SVG if the person you're sending it to might need a scalable, editable vector version. SVG keeps lines and text sharp at any size and can be opened in many design tools. After you select PNG, PDF, or SVG, look at the options in the dialog so your export looks right. For PNG, you can usually set the scale, choose a transparent background if you don't want white behind the shapes, and crop to the content to remove empty margins. Higher scale gives you a sharper image but a larger file. If you're unsure, the default scale is a safe choice. For PDF, check page size and orientation if available, and include all pages if your diagram uses more than one. PDFs are ideal when you need a clean, shareable document that prints well. For SVG, confirm that text and shapes are exported as vectors. If there's an option to embed images, keep it on to make sure any icons or logos appear correctly for the recipient. If you're not sure which settings to use, leaving the defaults is fine and will work for most cases. Now, once your format and options look correct, proceed to download. Click the Export or Download button in the dialog. Your browser or the app will generate the file. If you see a prompt asking where to save it, choose a folder you can find easily like Downloads or Desktop and click Save. If the download starts automatically, wait for it to finish. You can verify it by opening the file just to make sure everything looks right. Check that text is readable, the diagram fills the page as expected, and multi-page diagrams exported to PDF show each page. This quick check helps you avoid sending a file that's too small, blurry, or missing content. Send the file, attach the exported PNG, PDF, or SVG to your email, upload it to your team chat, or drop it into your project management tool. Any method that accepts files will work. If the person needs to simply view the diagram, PNG or PDF is usually best. If they might edit or scale the artwork, send the SVG, add a short note so the recipient knows what the file is, and then send it. The recipient won't need draw.io to view a PNG or PDF, and many tools can open SVGs as well. At this point, you've used File, Export As, chosen a format, downloaded the file, and sent it to your recipient. Your draw.io file has been successfully shared, and your original diagram remains unchanged in your workspace. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.